DHAI stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the stock trading space that has actually been in the market for 5 years, documenting every single day, and 44 videos made, 44,000 videos made, I've shown you what's working, collect the data, and no one else has come even close. This looks very freaking poor. I mean, very freaking crappy. It's not that I had a pretty decent bearish idea beforehand and it just started getting choppy. I never saw here, you know what I mean? Like, this is not market that I'm willing to trade. If there's like clear freaking direction, then yeah, sure. Like, for example, if I see a second break beneath 20, exactly like 2170, then it's a sell side for me. But Mr. Sicko, when are you gonna be bullish? Well, let me tell you. Let me just mark this, obviously with a waiting sign. And if you ask me, well, when am I going to be bullish? Well, bro, first of all, the price must start breaking above 40 cents with a full candle close. You know what I mean? So that's where we're at. Not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.